The methods that they have learned helps them reach to the right part of their brain where the memory bank is filled with the pertinent information and be able to go to that part and then continue from there on, which is how exactly it works in the real world. You're not going to be given information in a linear manner for you to be able to just focus or have the ability to just recall in linear manner, right? Now he didn't know that I was going to put him on spot like this, but I'm infamous for doing that because I have so much confidence in my students that no matter what way you present the information to them, they will still be able to recall it from the right starting point to where you want them to start. So, any parent here, pick a starting object, anywhere here. Any object.
Cake.
Cake. Okay, and where do you want him to stop going forward?
VIP.
Cake to VIP? It's a very short list.
I think he knows all.
Yeah, so let's give him a range of at least 20.
Okay. Cake
Any-
to puff.
Puff?
Cake to puff.
Okay. Cake, coffee, cup, vase, wood, fan, foam, fire, file, fish,